Here's how you can fix Dola AI app not working. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So to fix your Dola AI app, let's get started. So there are a couple things you could try. First, let's just go ahead and check for an update. Head over to your Play Store, tap the search at the bottom. Then you will need to type in Dola AI. This is the particular app. Tap on it. If you see update button instead of open, then you want to make sure to update the app. That should definitely help you out. Next, while you're in the same section, you could also try uninstalling the app and reinstalling at the same time. That should also definitely help you out. Now, another step is that open up settings on your device, then locate apps from the section. Here, you want to go ahead and locate the Dola AI app. Here it is. Next, you want to go to storage and cache from the section. Then you can just go ahead and clear your cache. Now, if you tap on clear storage, this is going to delete your data. But if you're sure about it, or if you know your credentials, you could go ahead and clear your storage as well. Once again, head back and go to settings. From here, you want to go ahead and check network and internet. Select that out. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet. Now that you've done all these procedures and nothing works out, what you could do is hold on to your side button and tap on restart. That should definitely help you out. With that being said, we've completed our steps and thank you for watching. See you in the next video.